This coffee machine offers a premium coffee experience by combining a built-in conical burr grinder with a 19-bar pressure pump. The grinder provides 5 grind settings for optimal flavor extraction, while the high-pressure pump ensures a rich, velvety crema. The machine features dual 250-gram bean hoppers, allowing you to effortlessly switch between different coffee beans. Its 3.5-inch touchscreen interface offers 8 pre-programmed recipes, including espresso, Americano, and regular coffee, that can be customized to your preference. A manual milk frother is also included for creating various latte art designs. The innovative Bean Adapt technology automatically adjusts brewing parameters based on the type of beans used, ensuring consistent and delicious results. With the ability to prepare 2 drinks simultaneously and save up to 4 personalized user profiles, this compact coffee machine is perfect for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and versatility.